Hello, adventurous souls. You've landed on Traveling Kangaroo, your go-to channel for all things travel. Here we hop around the globe, discovering hidden gems, experiencing vibrant cultures, and venturing off the beaten path. We offer you a unique perspective, taking you on journeys that inspire, educate, and thrill. Whether you're an armchair explorer or an avid globetrotter, there's always something new to discover with us. On today's journey, we are exploring the world-renowned U.S. state of Nevada. First stop, the dazzling city of Las Vegas. A city that never sleeps, Las Vegas is a carnival of lights, a playground of entertainment. Its vibrant nightlife is a spectacle to behold, with casinos inviting you in for a round of luck and luxury. But it's not just about the gambling. The city is also home to world-class entertainment shows, where the best of music, magic, and performance arts come together under the glimmering neon lights. Certainly, Las Vegas is an experience you won't forget. Next, we delve into the mysteries of Area 51. Nestled in the remote Nevada desert, it's a place that has stirred the world's curiosity for decades. Hushed whispers of extraterrestrial encounters, UFO sightings, and top-secret government experiments have painted a picture of intrigue. The secrecy surrounding Area 51 only adds fuel to the fire, making it a magnet for conspiracy theorists and the endlessly curious. It's a place where fact and fiction blur, creating an enigma that continues to captivate us. Area 51, a place shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Now, we journey to the extremes at Death Valley National Park. A place where summer temperatures soar beyond 120 degrees Fahrenheit, this park is a lesson in survival. Amidst its arid terrain, you'll find an array of unique wildlife, like the resilient desert tortoise, that have adapted to thrive in this harsh environment. The landscapes here are as varied as they are stunning, with salt flats, sand dunes, and colorful badlands. Death Valley, a testament to nature's extremes. Then we marvel at the engineering wonder, the Hoover Dam. Conceived in the early 20th century, this colossal structure was built to tame the Colorado River, providing water and power to the arid Southwest. Over 6 years of construction, thousands of workers toiled day and night, pouring millions of tons of concrete into the river gorge. Today, it stands as a testament to human ingenuity, serving millions while remaining a popular tourist destination. The Hoover Dam, a concrete titan standing against time. Before we continue, remember you're journeying with Traveling Kangaroo. We've already delved into the allure of Las Vegas, the intrigue of Area 51, and the majesty of Death Valley and Hoover Dam. Up next, we'll venture into the Mojave Desert. Stay tuned as we continue our exploration of Nevada. We now traverse the vast expanse of the Mojave Desert. A seemingly barren landscape, the Mojave is actually teeming with life, from the iconic Joshua trees to the resilient desert tortoise. A place of stark beauty, its sunsets paint the sky in hues that make the heart sing. Amid the hushed silence of its sand dunes, one can truly appreciate the tenacity of life. Even in the harshest conditions, nature finds a way to flourish. The Mojave Desert, where life thrives against the odds. Next, we join the unique celebration of the Burning Man Festival, an annual event that transforms the Nevada desert into a bustling metropolis known as Black Rock City. Here, the ethos of self-expression, self-reliance, and community thrives. Attendees, or burners, contribute to the city with mind-bending art installations and performances, creating an immersive, participatory wonderland. And then, as quickly as it appeared, the city vanishes, leaving no trace behind. Burning Man, a celebration of human creativity and community. Now, we delve into Nevada's rich history of gold and silver mining. The mid-19th century brought a mining boom to Nevada, as prospectors flooded the region, drawn by the promise of gold and silver. This led to the establishment of numerous bustling mining towns, many of which are now ghost towns, silent witnesses to a bygone era of prosperity. The state's plentiful silver resources even earned it the nickname the Silver State. Nevada's mining history, a testament to the state's resilience and resourcefulness. Finally, we explore the natural wonders of Lake Mead, the Sierra Nevada mountains, and Lake Tahoe. Each of these destinations offers its own unique charm and a trove of recreational opportunities. First, we have Lake Mead, the largest reservoir in the United States, spanning nearly 1.5 million acres. This man-made marvel is a haven for water enthusiasts, offering everything from boating to fishing. It's also home to a diverse range of wildlife, making it a paradise for nature lovers. Then, we journey to the Sierra Nevada mountains, a majestic range that stretches over 400 miles. It's a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, with activities ranging from hiking and rock climbing in the summer to skiing and snowboarding in the winter. Not to mention, it's home to some of the oldest trees in the world, the bristlecone pines. Finally, we arrive at Lake Tahoe, one of the deepest and most beautiful lakes in the United States. It's famed for its crystal-clear waters and panoramic mountain vistas. Whether it's swimming, kayaking, or simply soaking in the stunning views, there's something for everyone at Lake Tahoe. From the tranquil waters of Lake Mead to the towering peaks of the Sierra Nevada mountains and the serene beauty of Lake Tahoe, each of these natural wonders offers a captivating glimpse into the varied landscapes of Nevada. These natural wonders truly encapsulate the varied landscapes of Nevada. And that wraps up our journey through Nevada. We've seen the glitz and glamour of Las Vegas, delved into the mysteries of Area 51, and felt the heat in Death Valley National Park. We've marveled at the engineering feat that is the Hoover Dam, wandered through the austere beauty of the Mojave Desert, and danced with the eclectic crowd at the Burning Man Festival. We've struck gold and silver in Nevada's mining towns and soaked up the tranquility of Lake Mead, the Sierra Nevada mountains, and Lake Tahoe. Each of these places has a unique story to tell, a distinct flavor to experience. So, why not pack your bags and discover the diverse wonders of Nevada for yourself? Thank you for journeying with Traveling Kangaroo. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more exciting travel content.